See, after completing the 4.1, we are on the 4.2, practice set 4.2. See, in 4.2 now, there are three concepts, main concepts are three concepts. The tangent, first of all, we are supposed to go with the tangents now. We are going to make it out tangents. The tangent with using the center of a circle. We are going to draw tangent using the center of a circle. Then further, we are going to make tangent without using the center of the circle, without using. Okay, and third part will be what? From a point outside the circle, means external point will be there outside the circle. All the three concepts we are going to make a tangent. We are going to make a tangent. As is, that's why, because it may be have two tangents or it may be have one tangent. See, in this, sometimes it happens. The board demand, the question demands of step of constructions. You can go whatever you are drawing. Whatever you are drawing with the concepts, whatever you are drawing constructions, that step to be written one by one. It may be, it goes to 7 point also, it may go to 3.4 point also. Just remember what you are doing, that only you are supposed to write the step of, if the question demand, then only. Normally it doesn't demand, but be ready with any type of demand by the question paper. Now here what they are given in 4.2, question number 1, construct a tangent to a circle with center P. First concept was what? Using the center of the circle. That concept we are taking with the center P and radius 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. Means on the circumference, you want wherever you want, you can take the point M. Basically we take the right hand side corner only. First you are supposed to do analytical figure, that is rough figure. Always go with the rough figure, and rough figure should also look good. No doing rough work means like you should be have the proper compost working. You can use the proper rounders, then go for the arc lining and all that. The proper measurements, you are not supposed to take the proper measurement out here, but the concept what I am saying is that you are supposed to use particular working out there, circles and all that, then only you can make it, it will look good rough work. We are going with our main concept, that is construct a tangent to a circle. First of all, we will go with a circle that is 3.2. Take a measurement of 3.2. Going with this side, we will make it a 3.2. Take a 3.2 circle. See, sometime what happened, we slip it out with our point. So just make it clear that you go with a 1 point out here. Then further you can go with a 3.2 measurement. After going with the 3.2 measurement, you know this is 3.2, just make it out. This is my 3.2, I will just write it out 3.2, and they are clearly told with the center P, so give the name as P out here. Then to draw a tangent we require N1 line out here. So as such I told we will take on a right hand side. As said, they told take at any point M. The M should be any circumference, but we go for the right hand side. This is my one of the, we can call as a ray. So we take a point, name as a M. Now further we are supposed to go with the perpendicular. To draw a tangent, perpendicular is must. The main theorem you have studied in the circle chapter. Now what the theorems are using apply in the constructions also. So we will just go with our tangent by perpendicular working. So first of all what we will do, we will go the arc from M to left hand side also and to right hand side. Just check it out. We will make our arc. This I am taking to the left hand side, then I am making out here right hand side. Any measure you can make it out. Now just make it clear. It should be, now we are supposed to draw arc more than half. It is, this one is our full. You are told more than half. Half, more than half. And draw arc out here. And draw arc down. Further you can go with it. Cut it out, this arc. Down also. Cut it out. And just go with for a tangent line. As such, you know the tangent. Tangent is what? The line which touches the circle is called a tangent. The line which touch the circle is called tangent. See, now you can see this corner and this corner should be match, and then you are supposed to draw a line. That is my tangent. This is what the required tangent is, and always remember that perpendicular. If you want it, name it out. You can name it out R S to the ray, and should be in a small alphabet, small letter, as the point are always in the capital letter and the line segments or ray are in the small. This is R tangent, and this is the S is the ray. This is our first sum using the center of a circle. We will go to the next sum. See, after completing our 4.1 first question using the center of circle, we are jumping to the without using the center of the circle. Second concept in this 4.2, a tangent to be drawn without using the center of a circle. Now see, the question is what? Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. You are supposed to draw a circle of 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle. The main concept of 4.2 is only that you are supposed to draw the tangent at any point on it without using the center. They are told without using the center. For the circle, we require to draw with the compass. The center is required for a circle, for not for a tangent, without using a center. But first of all, we will go with the 3.6. As it is told, we are supposed to go with the 3.6. Take a measurement of 3.6 and work it out. 3.6 and draw it out. 3.6 should be there. First of all, always remember to draw a rough figure. You are going to draw a rough figure, then you are supposed to go with the tangent line. Here 3.6 we are taking. Before that was just take a simple normal point out there and make it 3.6. This is my 3.6. Further, what they are told, draw a tangent to circle at any point on it without using. First, we will take a chord. Take chord any measures downwards out here, be better for you. We are naming as QR, Q and R. Then we require one more point. We will take a point out here. We will take as a P. Just take a point. It's not a compulsory. You can make it out to the left or right hand side. Just take anywhere on the circumference on the boundary. Now right hand side, that is PR. This is my PQR, but main concept is what to draw a tangent. First of all, go with an simple, go with an arc. Take any measure. If you take smaller, it will be give somewhat problem to you. Take a bigger arc, it will be better for you. But take a bigger arc. Don't cross the center. If I told you take a bigger arc, just make it out concept here. Draw arc, same measure, keep it. Draw from here, here, this way. Take this measurement, this one and this measurement, take this measurement and keep on this line and draw and intersect that arc. Now you got in one arc and Q point. Go for the tangent will be created out here. Just you check it out, that arc and a point of Q should be matched it out, then only you can go with that line. This is my tangent, you can name it out. See, whatever name you want, you can put it out. Here I am taking A, B, this is the point name. I'm keeping is C. Okay, and if you want to put a ray, normally we go with the L. You can go with a L this way. That is my tangent. Always see to that tangent touch to the circle, that only it is a tangent. Okay, we will jump to the third point, third concept. The third concept is the tangent to be drawn outside the circle. The point will be given external. From there we are supposed to go with the tangent. Let's see with the third concept. See, after completing the two concepts using the center of the circle and without using the center of the circle, we are on the third part, that is from a point outside the circle. We are going to make it out from the point outside the circle. The tangent we are supposed to go outside the circle. See what question is demanding. Draw a circle with radius 4.1. Draw a circle with radius 4.1. Construct tangents. See here what singular plural. Tangents. What they are told, tangent. Not a single line is going to come. It's going to come two tangents. Remember that thing. Sometimes what happens, the students go with that one concept only go with then tangents to the circle. Then further from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center, you are supposed to go with the 7.3 from the center. Okay, we will check it out. First you are supposed to go with our rough figure. Go with the rough figure, then go with the circle. Whatever requirements are there, you are supposed to go with it. The question demands for the 4.1 radius 4.1 centimeter. We will go with the 4.1 centimeter. Take a 4.1 concept out here. See that 4.1 should be very accurate. Student what time happen, they go with the 4.2 also, they go with the 4.3. 4.1 should be very accurate with you all. Go with the 4.1. Draw a circle. Always see to that कि you keep a point out there, then go with it. This is my 4.1. Further what they are told, construct the tangent to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. You are supposed to take a line further, that is 7.3. Just measure it out, 7.3. This is my 7.3. 7.3. This is my 4.1. Further they are told to draw tangent. So always see to that you give the point to a center, giving a point O. Always we normally take the point O, and this is my point P. You have taken out here in the rough figure, that only you try to make it out. Further we will go with our construction work. Now see, the midpoint should be there. Whenever the point is outside the circle, then we have to take a midpoint. We will just take a measurement of this 7.3 and draw go with the arc. go with that concept with arc. This is our line out here, this is my tangent out here. So this is our one of the line to draw the tangent. Now further we will take again compass to draw working. From here we'll take it out. See, this point we have got is a P, and now this corner, this whatever the point we have got it, we are supposed to match it out that point and go with that working. This point, and we are supposed to touch to the boundary of the circle, we can say circumference of the circle. We will go with it. Further, same way we are working out here, touch to the P point and to the boundary of the circle, go with it. We can give the name, that is my A, give name this B, this is my 90 degree. Always see that you put a perpendicular 90 degree symbol, it will be better for you. This is my 7.3 centimeter, which is taken the point outside the circle. And another, the line, if you want to give it, give the name as a L concept. Sometimes what the student want to draw the further concept also, they can go with this also circle. If the requirement is there, you can go with the circle. You can make, if you want the second circle, neither it's okay, you can make, go for the half circle also. This is our third concept, tangent from a point outside the circle, means external point from where we have drawn. Sometimes don't consider this line as a tangent. Sometimes students think that my line, this one is a tangent and it is not coming on the corner, not coming on the circumference, not coming on the border. Sometimes they, whenever they reach out this line, they just get surprised. So these are the tangent. What the question demand? Tangents. Remember that tangents. So we are supposed to draw the tangents. S is that two tangents will come at the corner. That's all. This is geometry constructions full chapter 4.1, 4.2 practice set. Thank you.